Electricity distributors warn the growing numbers of top consumers are deflecting from the national grid. The utility firm says some of its industrial customers are gradually shifting to own-generated solar power as compared to being connected to the electricity. The big shift to solar power as heavily consumers has pushed Kenya Power in a deeper dilemma in the wake of excess production of electricity. Similarly, the growing shifting of solar power system by the heavily consuming industrialites who are seeking reliable and cheaper supplies has related electricity distributor Kenya Power amid thinning revenues. The utility firm says some of its industrial customers, who account for about 54.8% of its sales revenue, are gradually shifting to own-generated solar power, giving a further blow to its already dwindling finances.
With the shift being experienced in the energy sector, it seems the future is not shining for the Kenya Power and the lighting company.
The frequent outbreak and the thinning revenues are all giving a total different impressions. Power generation crossed a record of 1 billion kilowatt hours in October, adding financial pressure on the contributors, who is already paying for huge volumes of idle electricity. Nations in the development world are transitioning towards the use of renewable energy sources as the main resources for meeting energy needs because of its potential to address issues of climate change. As applications in the economically developed countries have helped to drive down cost, low and middle income countries are also increasing in looking towards the renewable energy sources. The electricity system in Kenya suffers from frequent power outage that are well documented. In a typical month, farms and homestead connected to the grid experience on average of 6.3 power outage, each lasting approximately 5 hours. The economic cost of power interaction is approximately 7.1% of the farm sales. Power outages therefore have a significant economic cost on business and in turn on the Kenya society. With the consumers being clever and looking for better ways to meet their daily needs, any service provider has to be keen to ensure he or she meets the needs and service the customer well to specification. For the Sweets, Amubuya Naza.